Russian precision-guided missiles are failing up to 60% of the time in Ukraine, US intelligence data shows, and that is one of the explanations for the poor progress of Russia's invasion. This Russian missiles just refused to fly in Ukraine. The video shows Russian Iskanders launch and landed in Belgorod, Russia. A Russian missile launched from the vicinity of occupied Kherson this morning has apparently malfunctioned in mid-air. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.